Okay, now what is percentile 5D? What is percentile 5D? I will discuss now. See guys, what is mean by percentile 5D? Now I am writing I want to print 5-digit number. Okay, how to print a 5-digit number? Percentile D. Now I want to print 1 2 3 4 5. Now I want to print 1 2 3 4 5. If I print 1 2 3 4 5, what it prints, right? This is a integer number. Integer range is what? Up to 32,000. Up to 32,000. If I write uh, percentile, what it prints? It prints 1 2 3 4 5. It is printing 1 2 3 4 5. Now my question is, I want to print 1 2 3 4 6. This value it doesn't print. Why? Because it's a range is different. That's why we have to use a long integer. Integer range is minus 32 to plus 32. If I write this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Clear, it is printing 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, come to the integer value. If it is 1 2 3 4 5, if it is 1 2 3 4 5, now I want to use 5 digits space. If I use percentile 5D, what it is printing? Percentile 5D. Is it showing anything? It is not showing anything, right? Here now I want to give 1 2 3. If I give, see, if I give 1 2 3, what happened here? It is giving two spaces here. Are you following? Here it is giving two spaces. We are printing 5 digits number. We are printing 5-digit number. It is giving, we are writing only three numbers. We are giving three numbers. What about first number and second number? First number and second number, there is no first number, there is no second number. Then what it gives? What it gives? Spaces it gives. Okay, it gives a what we call this trailing, these are called forward spaces it gives. See, are you following? Understood, right? 1 2 3 1 2 3. If I give 1 2 3 4 5, if I give 1 2 3 4, now how many spaces? One space it gives. See, if I give 1 2 3 4 5, if I give 1 2 3 4 5, see, no spaces. Okay, can I use minus 5D? What is percentile minus 5D? I will check it. What is percentile minus 5D? Here I want to give only 1 2 3. See what is happening? Plus 5D means it is gives front. Minus 5D means gives two spaces it is giving. Minus 5D, that is the meaning of minus 5D. Plus 5D means it gives front. Minus 5D give, it gives back. Clear? Understood what is percentile 5D and percentile minus 5D? Clear? Okay, what about scanf? Okay, if I use percent LD, what will happen if I give 1 2 3 4 5 6? Does it work for LD? You will check it. This is a long integer, it is working 6 digits. Okay, now I write percentile 7LD. If I give 7LD or 8LD, now we are giving, see, 8LD, two spaces it is giving. Are you giving? Same, minus 5LD, minus 8LD. See, after that two spaces it is giving. Okay, for if it is LD or uh, percentile D or percentile LD, it will work. LD means long integer, percentile D means only integer, percentile D means only integer. If you are using a large number, percentile LD you have to use. You understood how it gives a percentile 5D and percentile minus 5D. Okay, come to the scanf statement. What will happen if I give uh, number? I want to read a number, int a number I want to read. Okay, how to read a number? Now I am reading a number, printf of read a number. Now I want to read a number slash and percentile, sorry, enter a number. Now I want to enter a number. How to enter a number? You know this. Scanf use. If I use percentile D, store in percentile D and store in, we have to store in address of n, right? Yeah, see this. Yeah, percentile D, and I want to store in address of a. Now I'm storing in address of a. Print the value of this. Now I want to print the value of a. How to print the value of a? Percentile D, print a. Now I want to print a value. Okay, how to print a value? Now here print a. See, if I print a, now I am giving 1 2 3. Read 1 2 3. Now it is printing 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5. It is bringing 1 2 3 4 5. Now I want to give percentile scanf percentile 3D. See, remember all of you, I'm giving 3D. If I enter 5 digits, what will happen? 1 2 3 4 5. See what it is printing? 1 2 3. If I enter 5 digits also, scanner percentile 5D or 3D. 3D means it takes 3 digit number. It takes 3 digit. If I give 5D, 5 digit number. If I give 4D, 4 digit number. Example, see, if I give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 3 digits. If I give 4D, now I'm giving 4D, 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits I have given, but it takes 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you following how it is taking the parameters? Okay, what is percentile D? Same, minus 4D, minus 5D. Okay, here it won't, maybe, see, we'll check it, minus 3D. How it works? If I give minus 3D, does it work or not? We'll check it. Okay, uh, sorry. If I give minus 3, see, it is not reading a number. It's not reading a number, right? First of all, it's not reading. That's why if I give a minus percentile minus 3, it is not reading. Okay, it's not valid. It's not valid, right? If I take percentile, it is valid. Plus D also it is valid, but negative it is not supporting. Are you following? It is not reading a value. If I give minus 3D, if I give minus 3D, it is not taking the value. It's not reading. It is not taking a input values. Clear? Understood? Okay. This is a printf and scanf statement. This is a printf and scanf statement. Right? All of you understood, right? Yeah. Guys, I will show you some basic statements. You understood, right? Printf and scanf. Printf and scanf. Now I will show you printf and scanf statement. Okay, what is output? Okay, and also I want to I forgotten one thing in the printf statement, right? Okay, if I write printf of example, welcome slash zero and hello. If I give welcome slash zero hello, what it prints? Okay, up to this null character only it reads, right? Now what it prints now? Welcome will be printed. After the welcome, it doesn't print anything, right? One error. What is printf? Okay, printf. This is not printf. Okay, once execute this, welcome is the output. It won't print a hello. Clear it is, guys? Okay, now I will show you some programs. Okay, answer those questions. Okay, see about printf and scanf statement. About printf and scanf statement, I want to show you. See. Yeah. Yeah, guys, first question, check it once. What is first question here? Right, here we have written printf Balaya slash 0 and Sitaya slash 0 and Ramaya plus 8. If I write a plus 8, what is the output here?
Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
So why it's nothing? Plus 8 we have written.
Yeah.
Slash
Balaya
0 is the
means
character.
7 characters.
Okay.
Slash 0.
Slash 0.
Oh, it starts from 0, right? Plus 8 we have written. Plus 8. Did you see this?
Oh, sorry.
Prithvi?
S C
Plus 8. What is plus 8? See, this is
S.
starting from 0th index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is, right? 8. It is starting from S, right?
Yes, sir.
Up to null character it prints.
Oh.
Okay, now what is the output? Sita is the output. Clear it is? Okay, second. Yeah, see the output.
0, 1, 2, 3. L.
LCOME.
Sorry?
LCOME.
LCOME. Good. This output is LCOME. Clear? Why? Because it won't execute in action. Okay, it takes from 0. Okay, now guys, this one. Which one is the correct answer?
Siddhappa.
Siddhappa and
Katappa.
Okay.
Katappa 8.
Okay.
And we
1,
did
2,
not print
8,
I.
Katappa 8 and I.
11. C is the answer.
C.
But we did not print I in the program.
Yeah.
Oh,
If
yes.
you write a print I value, then I value also 11. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
C option is correct. We did not print it. We did not print it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one, fourth one. Niharika.
CRT
Okay.
OM
Lohit.
CRT LCO B option.
LCO. B.
and
B option, sir.
Okay. Sure.
B, sir.
B. Okay.
0, 1, 2,
Aravind Reddy also B. See, here you are saying CRT
C is the
is
answer.
C answer.
C is the
LCOMA.
answer.
C. Okay. CRB. Answer is C. Why? Because it is
C.
not executing /n. Check it.
Yes,
It
sir.
won't print in the next line. This is not correct. B. C is the answer. Okay. Okay. Next, fifth one. Check it. Is it visible to you? Question.
Yeah, yes, sir. Hello. 0, 1, 2, 3. LLO 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. LC 1, 1, 2, 3. B is the answer.
B.
No. C is the answer.
C is the answer.
Yeah.
C.
Good. C is the answer. First CRT will be printed. CRT will be printed. After that, +3. If it is a +3, it starts from LLO,
S.
right?
Yes,
It
sir.
prints from LLO percentile. What is percentile? Length of CRT. It is the 3. Again, it starts from here +3. Here, see what it is printing. LLO and space number it is printing. Here it is printing 5 characters. Don't forget. Here 5 it is printing 5 characters. If I write +3, it starts from LCOME, right? LCOME means space and percentile means what it prints. Here answer is what? This percentile is what? 5, not this total length. Are you following me? This percentile is only whatever it is printing. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear. Next. Okay, what is the output for this sixth one? Okay, I won't give options. Tell me the output.
PQR.
EQR 3.
EQR.
PQR
Sure.
3.
3.
In the next line 3.
Null value.
It is
No,
starting from
null
here,
value.
right? 0, 1,
0, 1, 2,
2,
3.
3,
Null character.
4 means null character.
Yes, sir.
After null character, it won't